been spinning those suckers out, dude. They got snow on them again. Come here. Come on.
Good job, Alex. Okay, you ready? Let's do some turns. Turn the other way. Good job. Okay, go the other way. Turn. The other way, Alex. Good job. Okay, turn again. Yay! Turn again. Good job. Alex, you're doing so good. Okay, turn the other way. Okay, turn again. Do you think you can put us in line? Take us to line, okay? No, take us to the line. Point your skis. Go get us in line. Alex, not in the trees. Good job. Nice turn. Get us in line. Put us in line. Yay!